Welcome to the danger zone. And that is probably why a lot of people are very unhappy with Haiden Deegan right now. Obviously, if you didn't see the race yesterday, he was in second place. Austin Faulkner crashed, and Hayden went on to win his first Supercross race ever, which has earned him a shit ton of hate. And I don't understand why. I can understand if Deegan had crashed Faulkner, took him high or sent him off the berm or what. If he had caused the accident, then fine. I can understand why would he, being mad at him for celebrating his first win. But the fact that it's his first win in Supercross as a professional. This is something that he should be celebrating. And yes, the interview that was a little cringy, but he was nice about it, saying, I was hoping to battle him and, looking forward to the actual race. And then, yeah, the stupid thing about like uh saying what the pressure got to Faulkner, whatever. And then yes, the cringy little welcome to the danger zone thing. Who cares? He's a 17-year-old, 18-year-old kid, whatever. And he just won his first supercross race full of adrenaline, endorphins, and then somebody shoves a mic in your face 2 minutes after, and you're expected to be super composed and, PC and everybody. No, this is what I want. I want racers to have a personality, have, you know, something that's not just, hey guys, yeah, I did really good. I'd like to thank my sponsors, blah 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 blah, and then hold up their monster can and just stand there awkwardly. No, that's just boring. Everyone should have let their personality out. And he's a kid. Like he's going to race, he's going to do stupid things, and if this is the worst thing he did, who cares? But people are going to hate him anyways because one, he's Hayden Deegan, and people don't like his family or his dad or the fact that he's come from money and whatever. This kid's earned it. Whether how many like when you look at how many people, how many rich kids try and race and they don't get through it because they don't do the work or they don't have the endurance or they can't deal with the pain, and he's done it. He's proven that he is a competitive contender, championship level rider. Who cares if he came from money? And you gotta say, his dad definitely earned the money that, they have. He broke many a bone to get to this point. And now, just because of his last name and because people think he's quote unquote cringy, as I've seen, I don't care. He earned that win. And you gotta say, yes, Faulkner made the problem or mistake of crashing. But to finish first, you have to finish. Or else everything else doesn't matter. So to me, awesome job to Deegan. I think with Faulkner out, he probably has a pretty clear path to the championship this year. McAdoo, and that's probably his biggest competition, I want to say. I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me though. Do you think with Faulkner out now, obviously with the two vertebrae cracks, breaks, wherever they are, he's going to be out for Supercross. He's not coming back for this, at least I don't think. So the question becomes, do you think Deegan wins the championship? Or does McAdoo come back or whatever it is? Comment down below who you think wins. Did you like Arlington? Are you excited for the rest of the East Coast? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.